Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Getting Over It Online. This game is famously a single-player challenge, but a dedicated community created a special way to share the experience. We will explore the specific steps to get you and your friends climbing together. This method allows for a truly interactive online experience, letting you see and react to other players in real time. Get ready to transform your solo journey into a shared adventure. The core of playing Getting Over It Online is through a community-developed multiplayer modification. This mod integrates directly into your game, enabling several players to exist and interact within the same challenging environment. Imagine seeing your friends struggle or succeed right alongside you. This adds a completely new dimension to the game, fostering both competition and camaraderie as you navigate the treacherous ascent together. To install the multiplayer mod, begin by ensuring the base game is already on your PC. Next, you will need to download the specific multiplayer mod pack, usually found on community Discord servers or forums. Once downloaded, extract all the mod files into your Getting Over It game directory, replacing any existing files. After this, launch the game, and you should find an option within the pause menu or a dedicated mod menu to enable multiplayer and join a server. Once the mod is installed, you can easily join an online session. Simply open the in-game server browser to see available games or connect directly to a friend's server using their specific IP address. You will see other players as they navigate the map, and you can even chat with them using the in-game text feature. This transforms the solitary struggle into a shared, often hilarious, experience, adding a fresh layer of fun to this notoriously difficult game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.